in this video I will show you how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week. Firstly, when you get into a fiction like that one, what is the most important thing right here? It is going to your settings on your phone. Yeah, just go on it. Here, the most important thing, it is going to your date and timeline zone. Yeah, just go scroll down and take a look on all of these selections. And as you want to take off faster that side and you don't want to just simply lose your time or simply waste your time, you need simply to go on the search box, which is right here, and type for date and time, and go on the search box, and then you'll need to wait to get up to the full site, which is right here. Just go date and time, and go date and time again on the second selection, which is right here. And yeah, right now what is the most important thing, guys? As you can see, that button, automatic date and time, it is turned on. You need to turn off that bot selection, and then you need to set the date of that site. On that site, what you need to do, simply you need to select a different date selection, which will be taking to the main point. You'll need to select a site selection which will be more than affordable system. For example, we're gonna 15. Yeah, and now we're gonna simply false these informations and take it to your Instagram. Go on your browser and then type there for deactivating your account. Just go for deactivate Instagram, and yeah, right from there simply go on that selection, which will take you to the help center or the supporting team of Instagram. And right now, guys, you're gonna be available to get to the main point, and just go here and go temporarily deactivate your account. And from now on, first you need to sign in into your account and then take you to the main point.